I never want John to make this again.
Hey! It's not John, it's not Benners, it's not Khalil. It's me, Grace.
And Kelly!
And today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna take you on a little rewind of our 2024. Give you a little bit on like behind the scenes, who we are.
Right?
Yeah. Not to spoil, but there's been expansion, there's been new faces, a lot of things going on this year. So let's get to it lah. Let's go.
Like holding something. Oh. So.
Oh, sir! I miss Khalil. Yeah. What? Wait, this one. Okay, wait. Hold on. Can I just say, right? I was holding on for dear life on that motorcycle. And it was like my first time sitting on the back of a motorcycle in a long time.
Oh.
I was like gripping like that. Was more just like that. So Khalil had like a Insta360 like mounted on his chest, and then I was hanging off the back of Hausia's bike and being like, hoping I got the shot. So it was my first shoot as a production intern, and his first shoot as content creator.
That was your beginning.
Yeah, it's the beginning. So because we joined on the same day, right? It's not like I had a lot of time to like befriend Khalil.
Okay.
And then you know how like Khalil is like, he's like very deadpan.
Yeah.
And he's a bit more stiff and formal. And for context, he was also a chef for like years before this. He has never been in front of the camera like this before. So he was very nervous. And I was just there trying to help him reduce that energy, like talking to him and everything. Yeah, he was like very like... You can definitely see his progression. Like from this like Bobo Lambok video to his videos now, right? You can definitely see his progression, his character arc. Yeah. So what about your first day?
My first day, I remember I was late because I thought I could come like later.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, what are the working hours? You tell me.
9 to 6.
So what time do you reach?
9:45.
9:45?
I think so.
Good
No, okay, because this era is also like new. That's my excuse. I just remember being very nervous, very like quiet, and like, oh my gosh, like a lot of new people, a lot of faces, a lot of shaking of hands, which actually wasn't necessary. But coming from like corporate life, it was very different.
This is what the fish.
Oh, I miss Banners too.
Different kind of fishes
Wow.
out there. And
So it was like meeting him.
I think this was my first shoot with Banners also.
Also?
No, I remember when he made this recipe, right? I could not stop thinking about it for like the next 2 months. Then I gave the recipe to my helper.
Did she
We
remake
made
it?
Yeah, we made it at home.
A photo?
That's so good. Yeah, I got a photo. Can put inside. Yeah, it was so good. Wow, the sauce!
No, the skin. The skin and like,
it really was perfectly fried, by the way.
Where are we going?
Honestly, the reason why I joined or even enticed to join was because I heard of plans to expand to KL.
This was so fun. I missed the KL trip. I remember like in, I think May or something, I was literally the only one in the office. Like everyone went to KL except for me. And I managed to go only in August. But for a good reason, and it's because of the Good Bite launch. Which is insane lah. I think it was a very huge milestone for us also.
Yeah. So as like a Malaysian living in Singapore, it's like a different experience, like sharing the experience of working and studying in Singapore for like 6 years, then going back like home with like people who haven't been to KL in a very long time, like showing them around, showing them some of my like favorite eats. So I really felt like I was playing tour guide on this trip.
Oh, you really were?
Yeah.
She was the producer on our set. And she was running around with a little iPad, like umbrellas, like all on her arms and shit.
Yeah, because so my role maybe for this like whole video like content that you see on YouTube is like a producer. So like planning all the locations, all the stops, all the talking points, what is unique about each restaurant. Then you were there as a talent. So she was like, hee hee ha ha.
Yeah, and then
Right.
poor Kelly just in the background like dying.
Yeah.
The things that you don't see on camera. Anyway, I think this was a very huge milestone. I think Good Bite is our KL office. It's our KL branch. So the Meatmen Group has expanded. We have an office here in Singapore and we also have one in KL.
My home. Yeah, and like the team also expanded. Really nice to see how like the Singapore team and the Malaysia team came together, like finally.
Stay tuned for more Good Bite videos, by the way. We are aiming to shoot more videos and you've already seen some.
Yeah.
But we are definitely looking to shoot more videos. If you're a collaborator in Malaysia, please hit us up. Good Bite, the office very nice, the studio very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today, Rice Guy is feeling Thai. So I'm
The
going
whole
to show you-
concept of Rice Guy is because people love John's rice cooker videos.
Yeah, it's really a hit on Instagram, on social media especially.
Because it's easy, people in Singapore like convenience. Like, throw everything into one pot.
Yeah.
Bam!
Bam!
Food.
Oh wow, a nice meal ready
Yes.
for you. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think what I always remember about this video, I don't know if you even realize, but I posted the cut down on Instagram and I wanted to like bring some connection, you know, like Tom Yum is from Thailand, so I wanted to have a Thai song over it. But there was this very trending song, can play like a snippet of it, but it's actually Vietnamese. So I used a Vietnamese song over a Thai food recipe.
And then
I died. Okay, the main reason why I like wanted to bury myself in a hole is because our CEO Stan was like, haha, I hope that the Tom Yum rice cooker video was not planned to have a Vietnamese
wow,
song,
Stan, you very
right?
fierce, yeah. Wait,
Yeah, so I was like, oh my gosh, I made a mistake. Even my boss called me out.
no.
And I was like, oh my
Wait,
god.
why is Stan text so scary? Actually, Stan looks very fierce, but he quite funny guy.
Yeah. I mean, I was scared lah. Yeah, I was scared. But mistakes will always be made.
Period.
I feel like learning or like transitioning from a job
From
to
one
like,
job to another.
yeah, from
lah,
one job
in
as a
general.
landscape designer to another.
Yeah, she was a landscape designer, by the way.
Yeah.
She played a part in planting the trees in and then now you're here.
Now I'm here, making mistakes, but learning.
Hey, that's fine, yeah.
Learning.
You
We
came
learn
from a
together.
landscape design job. That's crazy.
Today, I'm making my favorite version of Singapore Laksa, Katong Laksa. It's the best in my opinion.
If I ate
What?
this,
One feature, which is the
No, you don't understand, right? I love any kind of curry. Like, curry is my absolute favorite. Nobody asked, but curry is my favorite. This recipe was so good. But also, right, what was not so good was the fact that the office smelled like shrimp for like 3 days at least. You said 2 weeks, I don't remember it being
I
that
think
long.
it was a while.
It was really a while. Like, because he used the
Prawn,
the shrimp heads, right?
yeah,
to,
yeah.
to make the zap and everything.
The
Wow.
broth.
Oh, cannot. The raw shrimp smell. No. But thankfully, our air purifier is actually working. So fun fact, right? Kylie, I don't know whether you know this story actually. Like, you know our Stera, we have an air purifier. When I came in, they had been using it for like, I think 6 months at the point of time. And then shortly after, Stera guy came to check on our water dispenser.
Yeah.
Then he 顺便 on the way out went to check our Stera air purifier also. He opened the thing, then he looked at us. He like, y'all never opened the plastic.
What
So it was in, like the container was in plastic. So the air was going in, but it wasn't necessarily being filtered. And that was like at least half a year of like use, by the way. Yeah, but
We-
thankfully, yeah.
Whenever got like smoke, we turn on, we put max. Then after a while, we're like, wow,
Crystal clean, so crispy and nice air.
but placebo.
But it's, yeah, placebo effect nah, huh?
So good.
Wow. Every time I look at this video, I wanna eat.
But also this was actually part of a collaboration.
Oh yeah, is it in this video?
No, it's not. So
it's not.
different. People might have seen like more of the vertical cut down. So that one is the one that we did the collaboration. Yeah, but so Goodbye actually reached out to her because she's based in Malaysia. So reached out to her, did a little thing because it was during the period of Malaysia National Day and also Singapore National Day. So the idea was to kind of bridge the
Both countries.
both countries together through food, which is what we love doing.
Is this our first cross-country?
Yeah, and
collab?
it's also the first cross-country collab.
Yeah.
And it was really fun to try something new with her. But also like collabing with her, she's very passionate about bringing out Malaysian flavors, but with plant-based ingredients.
Having a cross-country collab was quite risky.
Oh yes.
Yeah, because then you need to make sure that both shoots are shot similarly. So I think one of the key aspects of the collab was the top-down split screen, right? Which we
Yeah.
have never done before.
Yeah.
So making sure that both production teams are aligned and we get the shots that we need. Yeah, I think that was fun.
Yeah, but I really love the thumbnail. It can be shown here.
Yeah, I love
somewhere.
thumbnail too. I think the thumbnail was really cool.
It was really the vision brought to life.
Yeah.
Today, Sanremo has challenged me to make the ultimate pasta feast for Zermatt.
I'll be making 7 kg of pasta in 5 different Asian fusion flavors.
Ooh!
Oh my gosh,
wow.
this video,
Wow. This one.
7 kg.
Oh, 7 kg of pasta. Wow. This one is... Okay, speaking of collabs, right? Zermatt is a personal friend of ours, and this was the second collab that we had with
Him this year.
Wow, I tell you, it was one of the
I mean-
longest shoots that we had. This was like, come in at 9, John is already like prepping all the ingredients.
He even prepped before, like
Yeah.
the day before.
The day before and on the morning of shoot also. Like 7 kg of pasta, 5 different flavors.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that was intense.
I think the 5 different flavors was really something for John to manage. Yeah.
Oh, you added kimchi.
Yeah, kimchi.
Baked to perfection.
Every time Zermatt comes to eat, right, it's like low-key
Chili crunch. Make it
scary, but
Stress?
also like,
Oh.
like impressive.
Yeah, I think the first time I ever saw him eat the butter chicken and ayam penyet, I was like, oh my gosh, how is the food going into his system?
Yeah.
And how can he eat so much?
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy. It was a bit, like, quite impressive, but also a bit like, oh my gosh, I could never. So, on top of Zermatt being one of our collabs, we also have so many other friends.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think the first few was like Zermatt, Paul Foster, that was fun. Paul Foster and Venice.
We did Dong, also Dong ASMR.
Oh, that was fun. I couldn't be there for a shoot. Dong ASMR was looked so fun. It really looked so fun.
Yeah, Kuchasa Foodie, they reached out to us, then we did little something. The Kampung Vegan, with Love Christine, who's actually my sister.
Who's
by
her
the way.
sister? Yeah.
Yeah, similarities.
What's your favorite collab?
Would I be biased to say we love Christine? If you watch the video on IGA, we have a very special chemistry. It's like sisters.
We literally just let the camera roll and then we just
Yeah.
left them there.
That was the idea also, for it to be more interactive, genuine, to show more of our dynamics.
Meatmen is doing a giveaway with Meatmen.
Oh!
Best US meats.
12 giveaways for Christmas.
Wow, that
We are
is
in
a
Christmas
big-
colours.
Not intentional, by the way. I feel like you were working really hard on the project.
Okay, so I think this
Tell
was
us.
a relatively ambitious project considering that we only kickstarted this in October, like the planning for the giveaways in October, and we wanted 12 different products to give away by mid-November. So then we also had to think of like content angles and who we can reach out to.
Yeah.
But we have the loveliest clients. Shout outs to all of our clients who participated in the 12 Christmas giveaways because they really came through. And we are really very happy that we can give back to you and to our clients as well in this little giveaway. giving season. It was fun, like getting everybody from the team to like come on board and like have their little personalities shine through.
We don't have a lot of time, honestly, to plan and to shoot. Very rush, but we pulled through lah with new things, new concepts, and clients. Thank you.
To our clients, you're really...
And like
Your
even like all the people who are participating and like people who are following us,
Yeah.
we really want to give it back.
Hope you enjoyed the giveaways. 12 giveaways
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed it.
I want to win something too, though.
Oh, then you never joined?
I did,
Oh.
but I don't win. And that's a wrap for 2024.
Pew, pew, pew.
We've been here for about almost a year.
Almost
Yeah, as like your first full-time job.
It is my first full-time job. Because
Good
Adira went
job.
to university, so she
Surviving.
couldn't start working until she was like done at like 24. This place has always been very safe for me to like express myself and to just grow and learn from everybody here. Yeah.
I mean, I feel like also the reason why I transitioned from landscape to media, I feel like I am a bit closer to where I want to be in terms of career and life.
What are you looking forward to?
Gastro beats.
Ooh, spoiler alert. Actually, the news is already out. Lah. We are the Chief Flavor Officers for Gastro Beats 2025!
Yay!
Any other closing thoughts?
The Meatmen really like builds like community, but I feel like we really want to bring that to life. Or even seeing how we have grown, like with the expansion, with collaborations, with having a lot of new faces and new people, we are achieving that goal. So I feel like that is very important for like our own personal values to be aligned.
Yeah.
And just have fun.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you
Yeah.
enjoyed looking at our year together with us. Thank you for being here with us as well. See you in 2025 and thank you for joining us. Bye!